Are you tired of manually sifting through endless property listings? The hassle of gathering accurate market data can slow you down. Luckily, there's a smarter way to streamline your real estate operations. Introducing Browse AI's pre-built robots for Redfin. In just a few clicks, you can automate property data extraction. This means more time for you to focus on making critical real estate decisions. With Browse AI, you can save valuable time by automating tedious tasks. Gain real-time, accurate data to enhance your decision-making process. Scale your data collection effortlessly, handling large data sets with ease. What sets us apart? Browse AI integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Sheets or Zapier, allowing for a customized workflow. By automating your data extraction from Redfin, you'll elevate your real estate game overnight. So how do you get started? First, create your list of property links by searching on Redfin. Next, use our pre-built robots to extract detailed data from each property page. Link robots for automated workflows and set up monitors to ensure your data is current. Finally, integrate your findings into your system for streamlined analysis. Imagine transforming your data collection process with Browse AI. Don't miss out. Sign up today and elevate your real estate business. Experience the power of automation and focus on what truly matters. Join the Browse AI community now.